A lot of people think that if you're injured on the job, workers' compensation is the only source of recovery that you have available. That may not be true. If you were involved in an injury that was your fault while you were working, or that some coworker caused your injury, workers' compensation would be your only remedy. However, there are many times when you're working but someone else causes your injury that's not associated with your company, and you could have a claim against that person and their insurance company as a result of your injuries. Let me give you some real life examples. Represent a client who was driving a company truck. As he was driving the truck, someone came through a red light and struck his vehicle and caused injuries to him. He has a workers' compensation case against his employer's insurance because he was working at the time. He also has a case against the person who struck his vehicle. This would be a personal injury case or a third-party case. Another situation, I had a lady who was sitting in her office and doing her work, and all of a sudden some construction crews outside of her window caused a chain to break. That chain flew through the window and struck her while she's sitting in her chair at her keyboard. Well, now she has a workers' compensation case because she's on the job, and she also had a third-party claim or a personal injury claim against the company that caused the chain to break and come through the window. If you have been injured on the job and you think it was someone else's fault, or maybe a product that you were using was defective that caused you injury, you may very well be able to bring a personal injury lawsuit. You need to talk to a personal injury attorney to evaluate whether you have both types of claims and how best to handle that. A personal injury attorney will be able to guide you through all the ups and downs and the difficulties in deciding whether to bring such a case or whether to just pursue your workers' compensation claim.